Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the Breakout Zones indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the Breakout Zones indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart, and please don't forget to click on the Load Delete Import in the settings window. I would also like to recommend you a channel where guys use Sentinel approach to analyze forex market, publish forecasts and analytics on daily basis. Here you will find trading guides and all information needed to start using sentiment analysis in your trading. Live analytics and forex daily forecasts with success rate tracking. Examples of live trades with use of the sentiment analysis. Weekly dashboard of currency pairs direction so you can plan your trading week. And of course, comment section under each post. Subscribe to this useful Telegram channel right now by the link in the description below. The Breakout Zones indicator for MT4 plots support and resistance lines automatically on the price chart based on the price movement. The price is considered bullish when it breaks above the support line. Similarly, a price movement below the support line is a bearish market. So you can identify the bullish and bearish market movements and buy and sell accordingly or manage your existing trades based on the support and resistance. So how to trade with the Breakout Zones indicator? As you can see on the chart, the indicator plots the support and resistance lines in red. You should apply the breakout trading rules of support and resistance for successful trading the breakout zone. If the price breaks the resistance line and moves higher than the breakout zone, it indicates a potential bullish trend. So you should enter the market with a buy position and place a stop loss below the previous swing low. The indicator doesn't provide a potential profit target, so you should use additional methods to identify the best target. A take profit higher than 1:2 risk-reward ratio will provide positive result in long run. Similarly, if the price breaks the support line and moves lower than the breakout zone, and in effect breaks the breakout zone to the downside, you can place a sell trade with a stop loss above the previous swing high. To summarize, the trading results of the Breakout Zones indicator for MT4 mostly depend on the upon trader's ability to identify and confirm the breakout using sound technical strategies and price action. Additionally, you should note that increased trade volumes mostly accompany breakouts. In the indicator settings, we can change the time zones and number of pips for making an entry point. And in the colors tab, we can change the colors and thickness of the indicator levels. The Breakout Zones indicator for MT4 is an essential indicator for support and resistance trading. You just search for a zone and wait for a breakout to determine potential market direction. However, you should be prepared to face many false breakouts. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!